you doing, sir?
Oh, all right, sir. I do something wrong?
Yeah, a little bit over on your speed.
Behind that truck.
Well, you're going faster in that truck. You're gaining on him. Just need to see your driver's license and insurance.
Yeah.
Go ahead and step out of the truck for me. Come back here, sir. Go ahead, step back here. Get out of the traffic. I'll tell you what, I'm going to close your door. You just wait right here. Hand me that bottle. No. Yeah. Open container of alcohol in the vehicle.
That was not me.
That's not you?
I will not drink it.
You got a driver's license?
Yes, sir. This bottle from my brother in this truck.
It's your brother's truck?
Yeah, I bought it from
Oh, you bought it from him? Where y'all coming from?
We're coming from Tulsa.
From where?
Tulsa.
Tulsa, what took you out there?
No, we live out there. I live in Tulsa, we come in here to visit our friend.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna put a paper.
You don't have any weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
No pocket knives, guns, anything like that?
I got a pocket knife.
You got a pocket knife where?
No, this pocket.
Go ahead and put it on the bumper for me. All right.
Okay.
Who's that in the car? Who's that in the truck?
Friend.
A friend?
Yeah,
What's your friend's name?
Who's that?
I'm sorry?
Francisco.
Francisco?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't mention my name yet.
All right.
This is good.
Go ahead and just wait right here for me about a bumper, okay?
Okay, sir.
You haven't had anything to drink tonight?
Soda? I have my soda in my seat right there.
No alcohol?
No. Up to that, up there in Tulsa. Yeah, last night.
Okay.
Nothing.
Nothing tonight?
Yeah.
You sure you don't have any weapons on you?
No, sir. I don't have anything. You can check on me. Oh, I'm on medication.
What kind of medication you taking?
It's a pencil.
Okay. What's this?
That's all this part.
Well, what's this?
Where?
This, what's in here? What is that? In this pocket? What is that?
Papers, things. No.
What's in there?
A weed.
What?
Weed.
Weed?
Yeah. It's just smoke. I do that.
Put that stuff in your pocket. Okay, I got a bag full of drugs here. Take your jacket off. Take it off.
Take it out, baby.
Take it off, put it on the truck. Put it on the truck. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Stop. Stay in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Help! 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 Driver! Help! Driver! 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 I'm not trying to run this!